The job description of office staff includes a range of administrative, clerical, and organizational tasks that support the smooth functioning of a company or institution. Office staff are the backbone of day-to-day operations, working across departments to handle documentation, communication, scheduling, and coordination. Their contributions ensure that the workplace runs efficiently and that team members have the necessary support to meet organizational goals. Office staff can be found in nearly every industry, including education, healthcare, legal services, finance, retail, and government. Their roles may vary depending on the size and type of the organization, but the core purpose remains the same: to provide essential support that keeps operations organized and productive. Whether handling paperwork, managing incoming calls, or maintaining office supplies, office staff play a key role in maintaining a structured work environment. The job can involve working independently or as part of a team. Depending on the nature of the business, office staff may interact regularly with clients, suppliers, and service providers. While the role is generally behind the scenes, it requires professionalism, accuracy, and excellent interpersonal skills. Primary responsibilities of office staff. Office staff perform a wide array of duties that help keep the office organized and functional. One of their core responsibilities is handling clerical tasks such as filing documents, typing correspondence, photocopying, and organizing digital or physical records. These tasks may seem routine, but they are critical to ensuring that important information is readily accessible and up to date. Communication management is another essential duty. Office staff often serve as the first point of contact for both internal and external inquiries. They answer phone calls, respond to emails, greet visitors, and direct people to the appropriate departments or personnel. Effective communication skills are vital in presenting a professional image of the organization and in providing timely responses to questions and concerns. Midway through this discussion of responsibilities, it's important to highlight that the job description of office staff often includes scheduling and calendar management. They help coordinate meetings, book appointments, and reserve conference rooms. This includes sending reminders, preparing agendas, and sometimes taking meeting minutes. Their role is critical in preventing scheduling conflicts and ensuring that meetings and events run smoothly. In addition, office staff may handle data entry and database maintenance. Accuracy is crucial when inputting client information, financial records, or internal documents. They may also assist in compiling reports, managing spreadsheets, or updating organizational charts. Familiarity with office software such as Microsoft Office Suite or Google Workspace is generally expected. Inventory management is another area where office staff often contribute. This includes monitoring office supplies, ordering materials when needed, and ensuring equipment such as printers or phones are functioning properly. In some organizations, they also liaise with service providers for maintenance or repairs. Depending on the company's structure, office staff may be asked to support specific departments such as finance, human resources, or marketing. For example, they might assist HR with organizing resumes, onboarding new employees, or maintaining attendance records. In finance, they could help process invoices or track budget expenditures. Essential skills and qualities for the role. A successful office staff member possesses a combination of soft skills and technical capabilities. One of the most important qualities is organizational ability. The role involves handling multiple tasks, keeping track of various deadlines, and maintaining systematic records. A strong sense of order helps prevent errors and boosts workplace efficiency. Communication skills are equally vital. Office staff must be able to communicate clearly, both in writing and verbally. Whether interacting with colleagues, clients, or service providers, they must maintain a professional and courteous tone. This includes active listening and the ability to relay information accurately and efficiently. Attention to detail is a key requirement. Small mistakes in documentation or data entry can lead to larger issues later on. Office staff must be thorough in checking their work, from spelling and grammar in documents to accuracy in scheduling and reporting. Time management is another essential skill. With multiple tasks often occurring simultaneously, office staff need to prioritize effectively and meet deadlines consistently. Being able to manage time well ensures that nothing falls through the cracks and that tasks are completed promptly. Technical proficiency is expected in most office settings. This includes familiarity with word processing, spreadsheets, email systems, and basic database tools. Knowledge of office equipment such as printers, scanners, and fax machines is also useful. In some roles, staff may need to learn specialized software used within the organization. Discretion and confidentiality are also critical, especially when dealing with sensitive information such as employee records, financial data, or internal communications. Trustworthiness and integrity are non-negotiable in a professional office environment. Work environment and challenges. Office staff typically work in office buildings, schools, hospitals, or government facilities. The environment is usually structured and organized, with standard working hours from Monday to Friday. However, some roles may require evening or weekend work, especially in industries like healthcare or customer service. While the role is not physically demanding, it can be mentally taxing. Office staff are expected to juggle several responsibilities at once, respond quickly to changing priorities, and handle interruptions without losing focus. They must also be adaptable, as policies, procedures, and technologies evolve over time. One of the challenges of the role is maintaining accuracy under pressure. When workloads are heavy or deadlines are tight, it's easy for small errors to occur. Staying calm, focused, and detail-oriented in such situations is essential. Another challenge is dealing with difficult interactions, be it with a frustrated client, a miscommunication among co-workers, or a technical glitch. Office staff must maintain professionalism at all times and use problem-solving skills to manage such situations effectively. Educational requirements and training. Most office staff positions require a minimum of a high school diploma or equivalent. Some roles, particularly those supporting specialized departments, may prefer candidates with additional qualifications such as associate degrees or diplomas in business administration, secretarial studies, or office management. On-the-job training is common and usually includes orientation to company procedures, familiarization with specific software tools, and hands-on instruction in task management. Employers often look for candidates who are quick learners, dependable, and team-oriented. For those looking to advance in their careers, obtaining certifications in office administration, project coordination, or software systems can be beneficial. Experience and performance in an office staff role can also open doors to positions like office manager, executive assistant, or administrative coordinator. Conclusion: the job description of office staff underscores the importance of organization, accuracy, and support within any workplace. These professionals form the backbone of business operations, ensuring that communications flow, records are maintained, and daily tasks are handled with competence and care. For individuals who are reliable, detail-focused, and enjoy a structured work environment, this role offers a stable and rewarding career path. It provides valuable experience across various functions and can serve as a stepping stone to more specialized or supervisory roles within an organization. Whether working in a small team or a large corporation, office staff help create an environment where efficiency and productivity thrive. Their quiet but consistent contributions make a significant difference in the success of the workplace as a whole.